Not all mountains are same. The one is easier for me may not be the same for others and vice versa. Just because I am able to climb certain challenging hills, it does not mean that the next one will be easy. Challenging trails often offer the deepest personal growth and satisfaction. Every trek or hike teaches patience and resilience in unique ways. Trust in yourself and your companions is essential on any challenging paths. When you hike as a group or with a company, if you want to reach the end first, go alone. If you want to share the victory, go together. Trekking helps to become adaptable. Being adaptable to challenging and changing conditions makes us more resilient and enjoy life. A hike is a great way to learn your body's messages that are unheard in a daily routine lifestyle. The forest and mountains have food not only for your body but also for your mind. The forest and mountains exhibit only positivity in all seasons. It is the human mind that perceives differently. Nature gives. It simply give without expecting anything in return other than wanting to not disturbing them. Nature has thousands to teach only when one has his heart and mind open to receive. Nature do not box in. It simply grows to the fullest before each of their time ends. In a forest, you are never alone. You are in a home of others. Being present to the process of moving is the only way to reach the end point. The more you focus on end point, the farther it appears. The journey towards the end point is more important than the end point. The end viewpoint is only a bonus to the gains we receive from the trail. Nature's rhythm teaches us to slow down and appreciate the present moment. sometimes the obstacles take you to the unexpected discoveries. Trekking or hiking is not just a physical challenge but a holistic experience for body, mind, and spirit.